iconic hip hop trio, Black China, is suing the Kardashians for getting her show canceled. She's blaming them because allegedly there are emails alleging that Khloe and Kylie leaked the emails alleging that allegedly fake. Kylie is saying it's an alleged fake relationship. Gee, you think? And China just wants publicity. Gee, you think? And even promised the Kardashians would film extra episodes to make up for the cancellation of the China and Black show. Like, we'll do what you want. We'll do what you want. Khloe allegedly said that she was concerned for their brand. I send best wishes to Remy Ma. She's back in the hospital after complications from the pregnancy. They say she's doing better, but she's still in the hospital. So, get well, Remy.
Star flashback. Let's meet our player. What's your name? Where are you from? And what do you do?
Yes. Hi, Wendy. My name is Latifah. I am from Philadelphia, and I'm an accountant.
Very nice. All right, Latifah, we're going to show you a celebrity photo, and what you have to do. Latifah, can we have a conversation?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I know you're on TV. Act natural. Act natural. Okay. She came from Albany, she came from Brooklyn, but the point is that where you at? The tickets are free, wendyshow.com. Tomorrow, actress Victoria Rowell hits the couch, and we got our biggest holiday giveaway ever. So if you're in that audience, I love you for watching today, and I'll see you next time on Wendy. Bye-bye.